2014 Freightliner, Columbia 120, FITZGERALD glider kit truck, 60 series Detroit, 10-speed Eaton Fuller, $200-gallon fuel capacity, dual line wet kit, Lemar 22 valves all the way around, sliding fifth wheel, air ride rear suspension, £23,000 rears, 12,000 pound front. $466,000 miles on this truck. You can come check it out here at Southern Equipment Sales here in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. We thank you for watching our video.